so basically getting ready to prep here, going to, gotta clean all the dust and stuff. Gotta degrease all the oil fingers and stuff. I got scuffing pad, going to and trying to sand some spot, like stuff like shiny still. I mean, it don't really matter here, but just sand it out a little bit, little more better, like all the little shiny spot, just sand little more so clear coat will stick better. And yeah, so I'm just looking for a shiny spot right now, like that a little bit, and right here, stuff like that. So just looking for those spots, and we'll be back. All right, so I'm basically all set. I'm gonna clean it up and then ready to spray some paint. First coat is done. I was really afraid the paint not gonna match. I mean, by looking at this, it can't really tell. But first coat is done. We're gonna do a couple more. But this is the main one because I'm trying to blend it. And obviously, you still can see primer. And I kind of starting to blend. And it looks pretty close. So I'm pretty okay with that. So we are gonna get second coat. I'm gonna shoot in soon. Alright, the painting is done, all set, and I'm very happy with the color. It's pretty close, like I said earlier. I'll live with that. It's a drift car, and we're gonna have some stuff on it after anyway, so I'm not really worried about it. Coming out really good. I had a couple paint bite. I'm not gonna sand and the primer and redo it again, so I'm all set. And so yeah, ready for clear. We're gonna shoot it up.